I have a theory. So, if you could cook eggs, like eggs, and since the first ingredient in mayonnaise is eggs, third ingredient in mayonnaise, can you cook mayonnaise like eggs? It's a really stupid idea, but I'm willing to try it out because I'm a stupid idea. Let's crack open this bad boy of mayonnaise. Alright, so I got it all set up. I got the mayonnaise, I got the spray can, I got everything. And now I just need to hope that I have enough time to cook this mayonnaise before my mom comes back home, because if she figures out that I've been bringing her iPad into the kitchen, she's gonna kill me. She's gonna kill me. Alright, since we got our pan set up, I think we're ready to just throw the mayonnaise on there and just hope for the best and hope it cooks. And hope that I get views from this. Alright, let's do this. Alright, let's just leave it there. A little bit of the color, a little bit. And it definitely smells like mayonnaise, and it's acting like mayonnaise. Let's see, how does it split? Ooh, I see some little brown spots in there. That's a good sign. Alright, so I needed to remove a lot of the liquid from it because of how much it was like, because the main ingredient in mayonnaise is like water or soybean oil or anything. But once you really like cook it out, you could really notice some color changes. And yeah, let's really hope this, let's just leave it on for a little longer. And then after that, we'll just drain it out, we'll put it on a plate, and we'll eat it. Alright, since this sucker's not really cooking anymore, I guess it's safe for us to just say that it's all the way cooked through, and that we can just drain it out and start eating it. Alright, so the mayonnaise solidified and it cooked. It's a little burnt, but that's okay. My first time cooking mayonnaise. I'm sure it's yours too, if you were following along like you were supposed to. Did our theory work? Yes, it did. And to all you people who are probably watching this right now because you know me in real life, said that this didn't work, well, you're wrong. So anyway, let's just take a bite.